Right. My name is Solomon Rodriguez, and I am an SEO here in Dallas, Texas. And I made this video for the Upwork community so that you guys could see that I'm a real person and not some CGI when you look at my profile. So in this video, I am going to explain how SEO works, or the fundamentals of SEO. I'm not going to get really deep into it because it'll take days. But I want to demonstrate how some websites rank on the front page and others don't. And I want to show you how it's done, how you do get on the front page, and why you are on the front page, or why you're not on the front page, right? So let's get started. Um, I've been talking to a few dentists recently here in town, and I wanted to use that as an example. So I went ahead and typed in this keyword, dentist in Dallas, in the search window. Right off the bat, it's telling me I have tools loaded on my browser that give me a quick overview of websites and keywords. So right off the bat, it's telling me that there's 2,900 searches a month for this particular keyword, right? The cost per click, or CPC, is $10.99, which means that if you are employing Google AdWords, you're paying $10.99 every time somebody clicks this particular keyword or your website. Competition ranking is 0.56, which is kind of middle of the road. With the right optimization, you can rank. It's not that difficult. But anyway, this is the map section, or the snack pack, as we like to call it. And we're not gonna worry about this because it's giving me these practices because of its close proximity to my house and my IP address, right? So I'm about 5 minutes from downtown, so they're giving me these three practices that are, like, very close to my house. So we're not even gonna worry about that. But we are going to worry about and focus on the organic section of these listings right here. So barring these two directories, these Yelp directories, the first business on the front page is Dallas Dental Specialists, right? And that is this company right here. Guy has a real nice site. It's clean. Has a bunch of images. Nice little slider on his webpage. Has content. Interlinking, so that the link juice can flow from page to page on his website. Google likes that stuff. Has a lot of images and infographics, stuff like that. More links, and a little map at the bottom of the page. Uh, his accreditations, bona fide, stuff like that. He has a really nice site, and as you can see, he's doing very well. He's on the top page. He's at the top of the list. Second guy is Elite Dental. They're in the second position right here. It's in a little Tony area of downtown Dallas called Uptown. There's a lot of boutiques and shops, a lot of foot traffic, a lot of money. So he's killing it in Uptown. I pass by his office almost daily. And then we have this practice. It's called Beyond Smiles. This gentleman, real nice guy. His name is Corey Nguyen. He's a dentist. He does dental implants, Invisalign, teeth whitening, stuff like that. The usual stuff. And I talked to him a few days ago, and he was asking me why isn't my website ranking on the first or the second page? And I told him point blank that you just don't have the backlinks. You're not investing in SEO, so you're gonna be where you're at because of what you're not doing. He has a decent enough website. He has videos and stuff like that. But if you look him up, if you look up dentist in Dallas, he's nowhere to be found on the front page. It actually isn't until you get to the 14th page. Yeah, he's on the 14th page. And as all of you know, the 14th page is where websites go to die. Most people are creatures of habit. They're lazy. If they can't find what they're looking for on the front page, they'll bounce, or they'll find another business that attracts their attention. So that's why it's really important to get on that front page so you can get all that traffic, all those conversions, those phone calls. Right when you get on the front page, your phone starts ringing a lot. So the reason this is happening, and the reason this particular office is on the front page, is because of this. Right, this is a digital tool. It's called Hrefs. It's the gold standard in tools for guys like myself, SEOs, digital marketers, and stuff like that. Basically, it's a CMS for internet data, for Google data, web traffic, metrics, stuff like that. It measures keywords, traffic, domains, backlinks. I mean, all kinds of stuff that I'm not going to get into because it'll take days. But anyway, I'm going to give you a brief lesson on how this works, right? So uh, the guy on the front page, dental specialists, if we look at his backlink profile, he has 58 backlinks coming from 22 referring domains. Now, a referring domain is basically a website. It's just another word for website. So he has 58 links coming from 22 websites. The guy in second place, Elite, has 1.77 thousand backlinks coming from 102 websites. And then Corey's website has 145 backlinks coming from 34 websites, which is kind of strange, right? Because the guy on the front page has 58 links to 22 websites, and the guy from page 14 has 145 links from 34 websites. So you're probably thinking, how is it that this guy has less links and less websites than the guy on the 14th page? Well, there's a real simple answer. The websites that are kicking off these backlinks are very high powered websites. They have really high metric scores that Google likes. And so his SEO went in and built him a bunch of links, did a bunch of outreach, and basically got him some really powerful links from some really powerful websites. It's kind of that quantity versus quality dichotomy. Some people would rather have quantity. Some people would rather have quality. I myself am a quality person. I believe in having quality websites, thus producing quality links. And that's basically why Corey's not ranking, right? He has really weak backlinks coming from weak websites. Another reason this guy is on the front page is because of his organic keywords. Now, if you look at the keywords, his keyword profile, he has really nice volume coming from certain keywords, right? So Dallas Dentist is producing 500 searches a month. Dallas Dental Specialist, 200 a month. Dental in Dallas, 400. Dental Specialist, 800, 250, 100, 300, 400. He's getting a lot of traffic because people that are typing in these particular keywords are being redirected to his website. Google is redirecting all these search queries to his website. If we go to Elite Dental, the guy in second place, and we examine his organic keywords, he has crazy volume. Elite Dental Associates, 150 a month. But look at this, Elite Dental, he's already an established practice, so a lot of people know his brand. So he's getting 3,800 searches a month, which is like really, really good. 100, Dentist Uptown, Dallas 200, Dentist Dallas 250, Dallas Dentist 500. These are all semantics. Excuse me. They're synonyms, right? They're basically words that mean the same, or they're keywords that mean the same, but they're just spelled differently, right? They rearranged the words because Google doesn't like that repetitive action, and it doesn't like keyword stuffing into the content, so you mix it up a little bit. It's called latent semantics, and we use them all the time as SEO. But anyway, look at this one. Professional teeth whitening, 2,400 searches a month. Elite dentistry, 1,000 a month. I mean, this guy's killing it. His phone is literally ringing off the hook. When I talked to him, started talking to him like maybe a month ago, and I asked them about their, the health of their business, and they said, look, our phone rings off the hook. We have more customers than we can handle right now, so we really don't need your services, which is good. That's good. Good for him. And then you look at Corey's. Let's look at Corey's website. This is the guy on the 14th page, and his keyword volume is like kind of sad. Beyond Dental, 100 a month. Board Certified Dentist, 400 a month. Beyond Dental, 100. Beyond Dental Garland, 30, 60, 20. I mean, his keywords aren't really producing a lot of traffic. And that's not good. You want to place as many keywords in your content as possible, because anytime somebody searches for something, you want to match that request, that search. And so if you have a lot of organic keywords in your content, you're going to get a lot of that traffic. Google's going to say, hey, this guy has all these keywords right here, so let's go ahead and match this search with this website, because we think that's what they want, and that's how it works basically. Google does that. They love that, and they reward you for good SEO. They put you on the front page like like these guys are. So basically, that's uh, that's a rudimentary explanation of how SEO works. That's what I was taught. That's how I rank. Uh, that's how I learned it. Years ago when I first started out. Um, but I wanted to make this video to kind of, like I said, give you an overview of how it works. And if there's any if you have any questions, or if you'd like for me to do any work for you, you can reach me on Upwork. My name is Solomon Rodriguez. I'm an expert in SEO, and I actually just started uh, on Upwork just literally days ago. So I don't have a lot of reviews and stuff like that, but I've been doing it for a few years, and I've learned from some of the best guys in the business. So I hope you like my video. Um, and I hope to work with you soon, right? So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Take it easy. Bye bye.